Alright, so throughout my book, and even in a lot of these videos on the YouTube channel, I reference sources on Ancestry.com. I do this because, well, first, they have a really extensive collection there, and it's very well organized, and it tends to be very easy to find what you're looking for. However, it does require a fairly expensive subscription, and a lot of people balk at spending the money for that and feel like then their research is stymied, but that's not usually the case. A lot of the main records that you will go search on Ancestry you can find elsewhere, including Family Search. It also has a really good collection of records. So one example of that is census records. I think I've noted before that census records are maybe the most commonly used records in these archives, and so if you come to the main page here in Family Search, inside of their wiki, you're just under the US Census page, and they've got a nice little feature here for each census starting in 1790. You'll see the historical records that Family Search has, and then you'll see Ancestry, Find My Past, and My Heritage, and of course each of those require a paid subscription, as you'll see noted here. So let's just go and pick a census, say the 1930, and we'll go to the Family Search one, and I'll show you. This is really pretty similar to what you will find on Ancestry. So you can come in and search the collection just as you would on Ancestry. So for first names, I'll search for one of my ancestors here, and we'll just go that way, and we'll hit search. And there you go. You see some results here. In fact, there are a few different people with that name in my family, but I recognize these. And you can see here, if you say we pick this Jacob Cap here, and you'll see the indexed record on the left. It will look just like what you would typically see on Ancestry. It doesn't have the neighbors feature, which I've showed before, so the other people on the census page, which is a cool feature in Ancestry. But you've got all the basic information here. You've got his name, his role in the household, his age, and his birthplace, so all the basic information has been indexed there. You've got more detail up here, and then if you want to see the original document, you can click on this link, and it will pull it up, just as you would be able to do on Ancestry, but again, free of charge. And if you're looking for that other information about other people on the page, well, you can kind of come and scroll down through here and see all of that same information down here. So it doesn't have a link to it, but it's all on the same page, and they've got it all indexed here. So really a pretty good example of this. You'll see similar results for immigration records, for marriage records, things like that. So and they also have a really nice collection of obituary records in some areas of the country. So Family Search is a real great resource. The Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints invests a lot of money into this database and all records that are maintained here, and of course they offer them all free of charge to anybody, whether they are a member of that church or not. So take advantage of it. It's a really good resource, and it will save you some money if you're not sure you want to spend the money on an expensive subscription to one of the other paid sites.